Okay, done. So, can anyone confirm? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay. So in this session, as we discussed earlier, this is completely regarding the call pitch. Okay. So this thing already you know. Why? Because you are most of the people are experienced people in sales. So I'll let you know some technical kind of things. That's it. So first thing, call pitch in the sense we already know. In the first step, we have to introduce about ourselves. In the second step, we have to introduce about our company. And the third step, reason for calling, why we are calling to that particular client. And the fourth one, services we are offering or we are providing. And the fifth one, durations, technology, provide cost, etc. And the sixth step, we need to grab the client requirement. And the seventh step, we need to fulfill that client requirement. And the eighth step, we need to provide some presentation. And the ninth one, final discussion. The 10th step will be closure for that deal. Okay, this is the common regular pattern in any kind of sales, whether it is a IT sales, whether it is a non-IT sales, whatever it may be, the structure is same in the sales kind of things. Okay, done. So very simple. First one, introduction about ourselves. How will you introduction ourselves? Okay, very simple. Hi sir or ma'am, how are you? I am Nagura, business growth associate or a executive or a manager from the BBIC Private Limited. It's a software product based company based out of Guntur, okay, based out of Andhra Pradesh. We are located in Guntur, which is nearby Amravati. The Amravati is a capital city of AP. We called you regarding the app development. On the WhatsApp, we got an inquiry from your end. Why I mentioned this line? On the WhatsApp, we got an inquiry from your end. Okay, the company is running the digital marketing campaigns, right? In earlier sessions also I mentioned the company is running the digital marketing campaigns. Using that campaign, the people who are interested to take the online platforms, those people will interact in the WhatsApp. So that is why we're mentioning as a on the WhatsApp we got an inquiry from your end. Okay, this is the reason we are calling for them. And the next, services providing. What are the services we are providing here? Already we know, right? We are providing Android app development, iOS app development, and web development as well. Okay, along with that, in our company we have the separate wing, that is digital marketing wing. Also we have digital marketing and graphic designing, but currently we are discussing about only app development, product development. Okay, if any client asks about, okay, apart from the product development, what are the services you have, means you need to mention as a graphical designing. And the second wing is digital marketing wing also we have. Okay, very simple. We need to proper intro for our regarding ourselves. Hi sir, very good morning, how are you? And then your name, you have to name it your name, and your designation, it is associate, you can call as a executive, whatever it may be, based on your comfortability you can use any term. Okay, but this is a very mandatory. Okay, business growth, your designation, business growth is your designation, so you need to mention this word mandatorily. Hi sir, very good morning, I am Nagura, the business growth executive associate from the BBIC Private Limited. It's a software based company based out of Andhra Pradesh or based out of Guntur, which is located in nearby Amravati. Okay, we called you regarding the app development inquiry, sir. And the WhatsApp we got inquiry from your end. Okay, and then the client will, okay, yeah, yeah. Then we have to ask about the sir, coming to services, we are providing Android, iOS, web development. Okay, like e-commerce, grocery, food, milk, school management, real estate, etc. And then we need to ask about what are the applications you're looking for, what is your requirement. We need to ask about what is your requirement, sir, what which kind of app you're looking for. Okay, then the client will say, yeah, I'm looking for some e-commerce, I'm looking for some grocery, or else I need some real estate app, or else I need some gaming app. Like that they will respond to you, right? So based on their response, we have to figure out some things. See, in the in our company and we have SaaS model, right? SaaS in the sense rental. Okay, say SaaS or rental we already mentioned, right? In the rental model we have few models. What are those? See, In the rental model, we are providing only particular these 9 categories. What are those? E-commerce, grocery, food delivery, milk delivery, cab booking like Rapido, Ola, Uber, pharmacy delivery, I mean medicine delivery. Pharmacy in the sense medicine delivery. Okay, and online doctor consultation, which means video call consultation. Okay, online doctor consultation in the sense the video call consultation between the client, sorry, the patient and the doctor. And the next one is the meat delivery. Meat delivery you already know, right? Whether it is a chicken, mutton, fish, prawns, whatever it may be, seafoods, and the real estate. Okay, these 9 categories we are providing in rental model. If you get the inquiry apart from these 9, there will be a no possibility for rental. Then you need to pitch the lifetime model. Okay, the inquiry is from this 9 model. Immediately you can pitch the SaaS model. It is a single vendor or a multi vendor. That inquiry is apart from this, okay, which is not including in these 9 models, then we have to immediately discuss about the lifetime one. Understood? Done. Now coming to the call pitch. Let's say our introduction was done, company introduction was done, what are the services you're providing, where we located, this concept is completed here. Then client asks some e-commerce regarding inquiry. So e-commerce you're providing in SaaS model, right? So at that time we need to provide that. Okay sir, are you looking for the SaaS model or a lifetime model? Okay, you need to ask like, okay sir, are you providing for, I mean, are you looking for the SaaS model or a lifetime model? Some of the clients will understand SaaS. SaaS as a software as a service means they know that it is a rental kind. But some of the client they don't know, they don't have any kind of knowledge about this. At that time you need to mention, sir, SaaS is nothing but rental, sir. In this package we have the yearly packages, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years, sorry, 5 years, 12 years, like this. Okay, so if they know, is it fine? If they don't know, you need to mention, sir, it is a very simple, sir, SaaS is nothing but rental. Okay, so then we need to take the clear okay, so you're looking for the e-commerce. In the e-commerce you need you're looking for single vendor or multi vendor. These are the requirement gatherings here. Why? Because without this proper information, okay, we can't pitch the client. Okay, if the client confirm the application is e-commerce, okay, fine. So then we have to explain about the rental. Are you going for the rental or are you looking for a lifetime? The client will ask the both scenarios. Then we have to explain like, sir, okay, I'll explain the both models. But before that, can you please confirm, are you looking for a single vendor or a multi vendor? So some of the times client will know the single vendor, multi vendor abbreviations. They know the knowledge, they have some knowledge. As well as we have the some clients they don't have the knowledge as, okay, at that time particular they don't have the client who don't have the knowledge. We need to provide them, we need to educate them. Then we need to mention, so single vendor is nothing but one business owner, okay, with multiple branches. Sir, you are the business, we are the only one business owner, we have different branches for the supermart, you can run it, sir. It is called as single vendor. Multi vendor in the sense there will be a multiple business owners in the application, sir. Okay, so there will be a multiple business owners in the application, that is called multi vendor, sir. Understood, right? You already completed all these concepts, just I am recalling all the things. So once we done with the single vendor and multi vendor, we have to explain the packages slowly, steadily and clearly. Okay, done. So we are, the client is okay with e-commerce, he needs a single vendor in SaaS model. So now we have to explain. Okay, so SaaS in the sense, sir, for the single vendor we have 1 year package, 2 years package, 3 year package, and then 5 years package, and the last one is 12 years, sir. So in the SaaS model we are providing website, Android application, iOS application. Along with that we are providing technical setups as well. So technical setup is nothing but, sir, server package, Play Store console, App Store console, push notifications, map APIs, OTPs, and the technical support and maintenance as well. What is the technical support means? What is the meaning of technical support team?
Like if there's any problem or any kind of issue or glitch in the system, our team will help them to sort it
Yes,
out.
perfect. Okay. In the existing application, is there of any kind of application related issue, it might be a bug, it might be a glitch, any kind of whatever it may be, our team will sort out with a freely. They don't charge for it. Okay, we'll provide this service for free. If the client take the 1 year package, we'll provide technical support for till 1 year. If he takes a 2 year, we'll provide the support for 2 years. Based on the package, it will be depend. Okay, and the technical maintenance. What is the maintenance in the sense? Our team, there will be a separate team for to monitor entire application. Okay, and then the client responsibility. Sir, in this model, as a client, you need to provide domain, logo, okay, and complete name of business owner, to contact numbers, to email IDs with password, and their selfie pic, product images, title, description, price structures, banners. Okay, this is the client responsibility. This is the company responsibility. Any doubt, please let me know. Why? Because very mandatory here. So I hope all of you understood this concept. Okay, in the single vendor, if the client okay with the single vendor e-commerce, then we have to explain like, sir, okay, well and good, it is a package of 1 year. Okay, the package cost will be 35,000, sir. Okay, in this 1 year package of 35,000, you will get the website, Android application, iOS application. Along with that, we'll provide the technical setup and support and maintenance as well, sir. So what is the technical setup? In the server package, technical setup means we'll provide the server for the application. Play Store console also will provide, App Store provide, push notification, APIs, OTP. Technical support in the sense, if you have any, if you're facing any kind of issues in the application, we'll sort it out freely. And the overall app maintenance. Okay, so in this model, sir, just we need to provide domain and logo. These two things they need to purchase. That's it. The remaining information is free of cost, right? There will be no need to purchase these things. They need to purchase only domain and logo. The domain based on .com, .in, .co.in, okay, .online, there will be some kind of extensions in the domain. It will be they charge around 400 or 500 up to 1000. That's it. The domain will charge from, if they take the .com, it will be chargeable around 900 to 1000 rupees. That's it. Okay, the logo is around 1500 to 2000. These two things they need to purchase. That's it. In the SaaS model, the entire application flow will be
So these prices are for like for a month or for lifetime?
yeah, for logo price is lifetime. Why? Because once they taken the logo from, I mean actually in the logo service we have separate team as well for designing the logo. If they have the option, they can take from our company end, or else they taken from the outside as well. Okay, this is a one time investment. What are the amount they are putting? One time investment. And coming to the domain, it is a yearly basis renewal. Okay, domain in the sense it is a renewal process. 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, like that the packages will be available. For 1 year, it is the domain will be based on .com or .in. They charge around 500 to 1000 rupees here for 1 year. This domain they need to purchase from the third party as, okay, we don't have that facility. Why? Because that is a separate company. There is a like AWS, Azure, right, and Hostinger, HostGator, GoDaddy. These are the separate companies, MNC companies. All these are, they provide the domain and hosting server services. Understood, Pooja?
Yeah, but when you say logo, the company can come up with any design and then they can claim that to be their logo, right? As long as it's not infringing anything else.
Yes, yes.
So they don't pay anyone for the logo.
No, no, logo is a separate thing. In the SaaS model, we won't provide logo.
No, no, I'm just trying to understand when you say logo price, right?
Yeah.
Like I can just click any picture that I already have and I can claim that that's my logo.
Yes, yes, they can
As
claim
long.
it. But in longer run, they will face some copyright issues.
Ha, okay.
If they okay with, just they go with any kind of AI tool and they will provide it, right? But
Yeah, like
in
they can
longer
create
run,
in Canva or
yes,
something.
yes, yes. But in longer run, they will face some copyright issues. So that is why we're mentioning it is a completely client responsibility.
Okay.
Clear, right? This is a single vendor. If it is a multi-vendor, sir, if it a multi-vendor, it is a 45,000 for 1 year. We'll provide all this. Okay, the concept is same in single and multi. The client response is also same. Okay, like this you have to explain. Sir, if you go with the SaaS model, this is the process. Okay, at that time, some of the client will say like, okay, in e-commerce, I'll go for the lifetime, sir. Then what will be the cost? Then, see, in the lifetime, first of all, it will be start with the UI UX design, then backend development, testing, deployment, and 6 months free support. What it means? Can anyone explain what is the meaning of that?
Like services provide from company with free of cost. Like it includes in the price, but
Yeah, the project code. Okay, for example, we updated 2 lakhs as a project code. Okay, so 2 lakhs in the sense, in that 2 lakhs project cost, we will do the service first of all design, then backend development, then testing, then deployment, and before the after the deployment, we provide the 6 months free support. Support in the sense we already know, right? If any kind of bugs in the application, we'll sort it out freely, only for 6 months. Why? Because it is a lifetime model. After the 6 months, they need to purchase separate support package that will be around 25,000 to 30,000 for 1 year support package if they go for the lifetime. In the lifetime, what is the client responsibilities? They need to provide all your server, domain, logo, Play Store console, App Store console, push notifications, map APIs, OTPs. Okay, their complete name, contact numbers, emails with passwords, selfie product images, all the things they need to provide.
sir, is it their wish to provide from other companies they can buy this and all like services, or else?
Yes. Our team just suggest them. Okay, there will be a technical team. They will suggest the, okay, take from this will be suitable like that. Okay, they can take from any vendor.
Okay, or else we can do
Yes, we
if
we
they
do
pay
in
for
the
us.
sense our team will help out, but the payment will be, it will be from the client end.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But in the SaaS model, we do it for like
Yes, yes.
whole
But
time.
when it comes to the SaaS model, we'll provide all these things.
Okay, okay.
So that is the some better possibility for closing of SaaS model. Why? Because if a e-commerce client needs the lifetime model, it will be around 2 to 3 lakhs. The development cost and the technical setup cost all included. Okay. So 3 lakhs is the best budget for him. Or else first starting with the pilot kind of 45,000 is the first thing. So most of the users or a client will go for the SaaS model.
SaaS model, yeah.
Right? So there is a high possibility of closings in SaaS model. So in the SaaS model, very few companies, very few only, okay, including us, very few companies are providing the SaaS model. In entire market, there will be a lifetime only. I hope, based out of my knowledge, around there will be a 4 to 5 companies, I think, all over in India for providing this SaaS model. Why? Because most of the companies will look out for the user budgets.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Depend on the client requirement, it will be very high prices for the app development. Okay, yeah. So this is the call picture, very simple. Nothing I mentioned new thing. Just I the new concept in the call pitch is you need to clear on these things. Okay, only these 9 models we are offering in SaaS model. Understood? For example, the client need the school management software. So the school management software is in this list, not available, right?
No.
So at that time we can directly pitch, sir, okay, we need to go for lifetime. If the client will ask, sir, you mentioned there is a SaaS model as well. Yes, sir, but in the SaaS model we are providing only these 9 models, sir. Like that you have to answer. Okay. While dealing with the client, you need to be very clear. Why? Because for closing a deal, if you promise impossible things, it will be a hectic process here. The client will do the dance. Okay, so don't do it that things. What are the things we are offering? Just mention it. That's it. We don't need to attract them with the freebies. What are the things from the company end we are managing, we are offering? You can pitch only those things as well. Don't include not possible things. Don't promise not possible things. Okay? If you are promising for in the call page for closing purpose, if you promise any impossible thing, the company has not decided thing, it will be very hectic for you. Okay, remember this point. The things only company providing, just that information you have to represent with the client. That's it. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Just a second. చెప్పండి అన్న.
మన ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి ఇచ్చే సర్టిఫికెట్ గవర్నమెంట్ బోర్డుకి పోయిద్దా
మ్మ్.
పోయిద్దా ఏకేసి ఒకసారి మీ కంపెనీ గురించి వాట్సాప్ పెట్టమన్నాడు.
ఇచ్చాను కదా లాస్ట్ టైం, మీరు తీసుకెళ్ళలేదా ప్రొఫైల్?
కార్డు ఇచ్చారు కార్డు
ఒకసారి మీ నెంబర్ తనకి ఇచ్చేయాలండి, నేను అప్డేట్ చేస్తాను. నాకు కాల్ చేయమని చెప్పండి, నేను మాట్లాడతాను ఎవరో ఆ పర్సన్ క్లియర్గా. నా నెంబర్ నోట్ చేసుకొని నాకు కాల్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. ఇంజనీరింగ్ వాళ్ళు ఎంసీఏ వాళ్ళకే ఇస్తామండి, డిప్లొమా వాళ్ళది ఏముంది?
ఏకేసి గారని
మ్మ్.
ఫస్ట్ ఏకేసి కాలేజీ
ఒక పని చేయండి సార్,
కంపెనీ గురించి ఈ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ పెట్టమన్నాడు.
ఆ అబ్బాయికి ఇవ్వండి, నోట్ చేసుకుంటే నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. తన పేరేంటి?
తనకి పేరు అయితే తెలియదు మన
కాలేజ్?
కాలేజీ గుడ్లవల్లి
గుడ్లవల్లేరు. కాలేజ్ పేరేంటి?
ఎన్ఎన్ఎమ్మో ఏదో ఉంది.
సరే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. స్టూడెంట్ పేరేంటి?
శృతి
శృతి. ఓకే, ఆ నెంబర్ చెప్పి శృతి అని ఆ అబ్బాయికి చెప్పండి, తను నోట్ చేసుకుంటారు,
కంప్యూటర్
నేను తనకి పంపించేస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
ఈ నెంబర్ అబ్బాయి
తనకి ఇవ్వండి. ఖాజా, ఆ నెంబర్ నోట్ చేసుకొని స్టూడెంట్ పేరు శృతి అని నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకేనా?
ఆ నెంబర్ ఏకేసి గారి
ఓకే ఓకే.
మాది కూడా ఇవ్వమంటావా?
మీది కూడా ఇవ్వండి. మీ నెంబర్ ఏదో చెప్పండి, ఆ కాలేజ్ నెంబర్ ఏమో సపరేట్గా చెప్పండి. యా, ఓకే టీమ్. Done. Okay, clear, right? So only these models as of now we are providing only these 9 models in the SaaS year. At that time only you have to pitch like SaaS model. Apart from these 9, don't pitch the SaaS model, directly you can go for the lifetime model. Clear? And then next step the client will ask like, sir, is there any demo possible? Okay, is there of any kind of demos for looking purpose? Like that the client will ask. Okay, then you have to answer like, sure sir, we'll provide the demos, and if possible try to join the live demo, I'll explain them clearly, so it will be some better advantage for you, how the business will work on, what are the things we involved in the admin panel, what is the things involved in the vendor kind of things, what is the user app, what is the user website. These all things I will explain later on, you can decide. Okay, like that you have to pitch them. Okay, so once the telephonic call ends, try to push them to live demo. It will be very benefit to you. Why? Because complete closing in the call, telephonic call is not possible here. There will be a 50-50 ratio, closing ratio in the telephonic. When it comes to the live demo, there will be a possibility of 95% for the closing. Understood, right team?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so maximum try to push it. So that is the reason I trained you for the product KTs. I taken the reverse KTs from your end as well. Why? Because live demo is very crucial. Done. This is the pitching here. Okay, now orally I'm complete once again. So first of all, coming to the introduction. Hi sir, very good morning, how are you? I'm Nagura, business growth associate from the BBSC Private Limited. We are a software product based company based out of Andhra Pradesh, nearby Amravati. We called you regarding the app development, sir. On the WhatsApp we got an inquiry from your end. Okay, so coming to our services, we are providing the Android app development, iOS app development, web development. Sir, which kind of app you are looking for? At that time client will answer like, okay, I'm looking for some grocery, some milk delivery, some food delivery. Okay, done, perfect. So you are looking for the single vendor or multi vendor, sir? The client will answer like single vendor or a multi vendor. So based on the client answer you need to pitch. Okay sir, based on this model currently we have two kind of categories. The first one is SaaS model, simply you can call as rental, sir. So rental, which means there will be a single vendor or multi vendor, there will be a price structures, these things we have provide, these are the things you need to provide. That's it. When it comes to the lifetime, okay, when it comes to the lifetime, the process will be like this. You need to provide this all these things. Understood? So what is the duration we mentioned for the SaaS model?
It's 1 month.
Yes. Okay, but actually it takes 1 week only for us, but due to the other projects flow, as for our safe side we mention it is a 1 month. But in real words, it will take for 1 week only for us for to complete for to onboard one client. Okay, but due to the some other projects, why? Because there is a multiple times working on it. So because of that project rush, we are taking the 3 weeks more. Understood? So just mention as 1 month. When it is a lifetime, okay, when it is a lifetime, you need to mention, sir, depend on project, we'll update you, sir. Why? Because some of the client will accept with the basic kind of things. Few of the client will ask the high end kind of things. Okay, that is completely depend on the client requirement here. I hope all of you understood, right? Duration. If the some of the times the client will ask like, okay, just mention an average on average days means just mention as 45 days to 60 days, which means 1.5 month or 2 days. ఇచ్చారా? సరే నేను షూర్ అండి, షూర్ షూర్. Okay, this thing we need to mention. So here we have some queries. Okay, while doing this call pitch in the telephonic way or else in the live demo, you have to face some kind of queries from the end, client end, like regarding the price structures, regarding the codes. So that is the I mentioned here. Okay, sales FAQs. First thing, majority of the clients, okay, there will be a always, whether it is a some medium kind of client or a higher end of client or whatever it may be, that client is belongs to any kind of category. Customer categories we completed earlier, right? Understood all of you? Have you remembered the concept?
Yes, sir.
What are the things we have? I hope in the second session I discussed it. What are the different kind of client genres we have? No idea?
Four types, sir.
Okay. What are those? Can you name it? Economical, difficulty, premium. ఇంకా గుర్తు రాలేదా? Okay, go with that session. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, all of you go with that session. సో నాకేమనిపిస్తుందంటే మీరు రికార్డింగ్స్ ఎవరు గోతురు అవ్వట్లేదు. జస్ట్ యువర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ లిజనింగ్ ద లైవ్ డెమో అండ్ జస్ట్ లెట్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్. It won't work out, team. It won't work out. The reason why I am providing the recording is, if you miss the one or two points due to some kind of net issues or any kind of thing, it will be some benefit kind of things for you to recall the things. That is the reason I am mentioning, I am providing the recordings, right? So at that time you need to be utilized in a proper way. Okay, no worries. Just go through it all the recordings, review all the things. So first of all, you will face the question of your price is high, others offer in the lower budget. Try to sort out, try to decrease some kind of budget. These kind of questions you will get here. So at that time, you need to answer like, while providing a script or solution might seem easy for many, which means the providing the product development is easy for all. Why? Because they will take from so and so some third party source. Okay, and it's essential to look beyond the price and consider the critical factors that can affect your project in the long run, especially in terms of support. Why? Because there will be so many freelancers in the market. Okay, they'll take the code from some third party softwares, some kind of unauthorized websites. They will take the code, they will deploy, and they will provide to the client. Then what about the longer run performance in that application? If they got any kind of queries, if they got any kind of bugs, that freelancer is responsible for that. Is he provide on time support? Okay, is that code well organized or structured? Is that software licensed or not? Is the code written to industry standards or not? What guarantee do you have that solution won't crash your app in real time usage? Okay, for example, if the app crashes, do they have dedicated team to resolve that issue promptly? How much will they charge for ongoing support? Choosing a okay, these are all the patterns. Yeah, these are all the things you need to discuss with that client. Okay, all these points you need to highlight in the pitching. Then finally, choosing a reliable provider isn't just about initial cost, it's about long term success and stability. అండర్స్టూడ్ రైట్? అందరూ తక్కువ ప్రైస్కి ఆఫర్ చేస్తారు కదా. ప్రైస్ ఎవరు తక్కువ ఆఫర్ చేస్తున్నారో అక్కడికే వెళ్తాడు క్లయింట్. బట్ అది కాదు కదా మ్యాటర్ ఇక్కడ. సపోర్ట్ ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారు, అప్లికేషన్ క్రాష్ అయితే ఎవరు హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తారు, ఆ దగ్గర టీం ఉందా లేదా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద very crucial things. So that is why if you're facing any kind of app related, pricing related, standard related, you need to answer, you need to highlight all these points here. Okay sir, మీరు ఎలా చెప్పాలంటే, లత క్లియర్ కదా, అర్థమవుతుంది కదా లత? యా ఎలా చెప్పాలంటే, సార్ మీరు ఒక సొల్యూషన్, మీకు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సొల్యూషన్ తీసుకోవడం ఎవరైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారండి, ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్, ఒక యాప్ అనేది, అది క్రాష్ అవ్వదని ఏంటి మీ గ్యారంటీ? ఒకవేళ క్రాష్ అయితే మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు దానికి ఆన్ టైం సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వగలరా లేరా, వాళ్ళు అసలు హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలరా లేరా, వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఎక్స్పర్ట్ టీం ఉందా లేదా, ఇలాంటివన్నీ మీరు హైలైట్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో సొల్యూషన్ ఏముంది సార్, ఎవరైనా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు, ఆన్ టైం సపోర్ట్ కావాలి కదా, మీరు ప్రైజెస్ గురించి కాదు, సపోర్ట్ గురించి, మీ బిజినెస్ లాంగర్ రన్ గురించి ఆలోచించండి అని చెప్పండి. ఓకేనా టీమ్? సో వైల్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఏ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఆర్ ఏ సొల్యూషన్ మైట్ సీమ్స్ ఈజీ ఫర్ మెనీ, it's essential to look beyond the price and consider the critical factors that can affect your product in the long term, especially in terms of support. And then we need to mention all these points here. Okay, this query will be resolved. And what makes your company special compared to the others? The question will ask like mostly, okay, why you are, why need to select you, why need to go with you, these kind of questions will be raised. At that time you need to answer all these things. First thing, we are a registered software product based company. Okay, we are legally registered software product based company with a proven track record. And the second thing, highly experienced in product development. Okay, our team brings extensive experience in software product development, ensuring high quality and reliable solutions. And the third thing you need to mention, dedicated team of experts. We have around 40 plus developers, around 30 plus testers, along with a dedicated support team to ensure smooth project execution and ongoing assistance. And the fourth thing, complete solution for business applications. We provide end-to-end solution for all kinds of business applications, including, okay, in the sense why I mentioned this point means, if you go with the real-time market, most of the freelancers will offer only web and Android. Why? Because they don't have iOS compatibility, they don't have iOS solution along with them. Okay, just they are trying to hurry up the client, like just take it web and Android only. Okay, but in our company we have the iOS compatibility as well. We'll provide the complete solution. That is why I mentioned complete solution for the business application. In the market, most of the companies or most of the freelancers or any kind of vendors, they'll push for only web and Android. Why? Because they don't have proper iOS compatibility. Why? In the sense, iOS is very strict, very securable. Okay, if I need to provide any kind of application from the iOS related compatibility, that Apple team will take a complete verification regarding that project. If they are okay with that code and organization things, then only they will provide the approval. Otherwise, it is not a easy thing while getting the approval from the iOS. Okay, so once we submit in the store, in the Apple store, they will check entire application. What will they check? They will check it is a code organized or not. Is this code have a license or not? Is this code written to industry standards or not? All these, okay, all these terms will be checking from the iOS end. But when it comes to the Android, they don't have proper checking purpose. They will allow them. Google will allow any kind of things. Currently they are strict line, okay, they are maintaining some strict line manners. But in previous, Android is a very simple one. They don't check deeply, okay. For example, if it is a 100% of project, the Android team will check out the 10 to 20%, the remaining 80% will let it off. But when it comes to the iOS, they will check 200%. Why? Because that is the branding of iOS, the trust, right, the securability. That is why Apple products are that much of higher cost, but the market also that level of possibility is there for the Apple products, okay. So most of the users, I mean, sorry, not users, vendors, they will try to push for the Android and web only. So that is why we need to mention the complete solution. We'll provide, okay,
Okay,
full
one
technical.
question here.
Yeah, Pooja.
So in both SaaS and lifetime model, we do collect the 100% payment before we launch the product
Yes.
in the platform.
Yes. In the
So if
lifetime
by
also.
any
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Complete.
so
Complete.
if by so if by any chance if the product is being rejected
Hmm.
either by Android or by iOS platforms,
Okay.
do we matlab, help them to build it again
Yes.
or remake it?
Yes. We'll do this thing within the same project budget. We won't take much one.
You
But
charge
there is
extra
a
money or
no, no. We won't charge any kind of money.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But in the real time scenario, there will be a possibility of for that scenario 0.00 point percent. Why? Because while going with the standard level also, we maintain the some kind of factors. So there will be no kind of issues in the living related things. Okay. If we
Understood.
face that issue, we'll sort it out. We won't take extra charge for that. Yeah.
Yeah, understood. Thank you.
Done. Full technical setup such as servers, console accounts, APIs, push notification, SMS, OTPs, and more. And cost-effective packages like our comprehensive package, including the technical setup and service cost around 30 to 40,000. In the SaaS model, we are providing the technical setup as well, right? So that thing I mentioned here. And the next one, ongoing support and maintenance here. We offer technical support and complete app maintenance for an additional cost of 20 to 30,000. Why? Because when it comes to the real-time manner, it will take around 20 to 30,000 for 1 year maintenance. But in SaaS model, we are providing completely free, right? So that is the point I mentioned here. And the next one, that is the last one, others don't provide these services. What are the services they don't provide? Many other providers charge separately for technical support and other essential services, making us a more cost effective and reliable option. In the SaaS model as well, some of the companies are charging the amount for this technical support and remaining things. Okay, in the real time market, some of the companies who are providing the SaaS model, they are not providing the technical support as free. They're charging the technical support for some charge. Okay, these are all things you need to highlight with the client while facing any kind of query about the sales regarding thing. Okay, I mentioned all those things. If you face in the real time any kind of new one, you can just let me know. I'll sort it out. Okay, while going with the real time, there will be a possibility for getting a new question as well, right? So those things also, if you need to manage from your end, you can manage it. Okay, and the second hand side, you just mentioned that some kind of you need to maintain some notepad, and you need, I'll conduct a session. In that session you can explain me, I'll deal, okay, I'll let you know how to deal with that particular kind of queries. Understood, all of you? Any doubt in this? Please let me know if you have any doubts. Why? Because very mandatory here.
So
Abdul.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Coming to SaaS model, if the client approves a SaaS model,
Mm-hmm.
starting from the UI UX design, it will be considered as like our require like how we will do. They will accept like how we will do or their requirement according
Yeah,
to their requirement.
very good question, Abdul, right?
Ekeshwar sir.
Yes, sir.
In
It's a
Ekeshwar, okay, sorry that. Yeah, very good question, Ekeshwar. In the SaaS model, it is a pre-built model. Means we don't do any kind of customization based on the client requirement. The client need to accept our model. That's it.
Okay.
In second hand, in other hand, the client is pushing for, sir, I need the customization, I need the customization. At that time you need to mention, okay sir, it will be add-on price. If you need the customization in SaaS model, it will be add-on. That's it. For example, here you okay with the single vendor, what is the price? 35,000. We can close it for 30,000 as well, right? For example, let's take 35,000, and in this model the client is expecting some modification. At that time we will charge separate charge for them. So then 35,000 plus the additional charge will be added
Yeah, understood,
in
sir.
the SaaS model.
But in the lifetime, he can do
Yes,
whatever he want,
yes,
like
yes. In the
from
lifetime,
start
we
to
can build based on from scratch to end based on his requirement.
client requirement.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Why? Because SaaS is a already pre-built model, right? We need to do again customization for that.
Yeah.
If anything, if any kind of small thing also chargeable in the SaaS model. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అసలు డోంట్ ఏమంటాం, దాని గురించి ఆ కాన్సెప్టే రైస్ చేయనివ్వద్దు అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కసారి కస్టమైజేషన్ అడిగారంటే ఏదో ఒకటి అడుగుతూనే ఉంటారు క్లయింట్. సో we need to clear cut statement, like you need to pass the statement as a, sir, in the SaaS model we don't have any customization. The model which I provide, that is completely up to level. Okay, the models we are providing, the currently providing in the SaaS model, those are up to level in the present market. So there will be no need of changes. Still if you need change, it will be chargeable additionally. That's it. Clear, right? When it comes to the lifetime, they will ask regarding what is the project cost. Okay, here we have the two scenarios here. All of you clearly listen. For example, we have the grocery. Okay, in the grocery we completed e-grocer, right? E-grocer demo I provided. The e-grocer, the client need in the single vendor, I mean SaaS model single vendor, will offer 35,000. The same e-grocer he need for the multi-vendor in SaaS model will charge 45,000. Again, the same model without any customization, without any modification, the same demo the client need to the lifetime. Then we'll provide for 1.5 lakh, which means 1 lakh 50,000. Understood? In the lifetime. If they need any customization, that would be additional. In the lifetime we have two categories. The first category is we can build from the scratch level here. Scratch level in the sense we'll start from the designing phase. Those kind of projects will start from 2.5 lakh to 3 lakhs or 3.5 lakh. Why? Because we are doing from the scratch level, means starting level. Understood? On the other hand, the models we are offering in the SaaS model, the same, the client is expecting the same model for the lifetime. At that time, without any customization, without any modification, we'll offer for multi-vendor it is a 1.5 lakh. When it is single vendor, we'll offer for 1.2 lakh. Okay, let's take food delivery. In the food delivery, he need only single vendor here. Means he have the own restaurant. That business also he need to take the online. At that time, it is a single vendor. Means we quoted as around 1.2 lakh and we can close for 1 lakh. Okay, just quoted as 1.2 lakh. Remember this point. For single vendor, 1.2 lakh without any modification, without any customization. When it comes to the multi vendor, just name it as a mention them as 1.6. We can close for 1.4. Understood? Any query in this?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, I'll mention here as well. In lifetime, we have two type models. First model, the demo we are providing in SaaS. Okay, the demo we are providing in SaaS. If the client need same in the lifetime, then we can charge 1.6 lakh. Uh, Here we have two options, right? Just a second. It is a multi-vendor. And the same single vendor we need to pitch for 1.2. The second model means we build from scratch. Okay, we build from scratch here. So in this model it will depend on, sorry, client requirement. It will start 2.5. Okay, I'm mentioning 2.5 stats. Okay, the project will start from that, but there will be less possibility for this model here. Okay, but still now I'm mentioning why, because in a month at least, even though one or two clients will have the inquiries regarding this. Okay, that is why I mention here. Clear, right? In the first model, in the life, first of all I'm discussing about the lifetime. All of you clear with the SaaS, right? Just confirm me, all of you. All of you clear with the SaaS?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Single vendor and multi-vendor, price structures, what are the things we are
Yes,
providing,
sir.
what are the things client need to provide. Done.
Yes.
Perfect. In the lifetime model we have two categories. The first one is the demo we are providing in SaaS. Okay, in the SaaS model, which are the demo we are providing for grocery or food delivery or any kind of thing, the same demo client need in this lifetime without any modification, without any customization. That thing also I'll mention. Without customization. Okay, without customization. At that time, that is a application for that is a single vendor application. We quote for 1.2 lakh. When it comes to the multi vendor, we quote for 1.6 lakh. Okay, and the second hand in the lifetime will build from the scratch level. Okay, we'll build from scratch level. It will be depend on client requirement. These kind of lifetime projects will start from 2.2 lakh, sorry, 2.5 lakh. It will start from 2.5 lakh. Based on the requirement, it will be closer for 3 lakhs or 2.8 or 2.7 or 3.2 or 3.5, whatever it may be. We can't determine that thing. I hope all of you understood this concept. Okay, so this is a lifetime. So at that time, what are the things we are providing, what are the client need to provide in the lifetime? Ekeshwar?
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Mic is some disturbance.
Sorry, Ekeshwar?
Hearing some disturbance,
Not clear. I
Hello?
think so. Someone is like mic is on.
Team, can
Apart
you
from
please unmute yourself? Team, all of you. Okay, okay. Yeah,
yeah.
Ekeshwar.
Can I know once again like what?
Yes, yes. In the lifetime model,
Yeah.
what are the client responsibilities? Which means, what are the things client need to provide in the lifetime model?
Again, domain, logo,
Mm-hmm.
like servers,
Yes.
push notifications, API,
Yeah.
console accounts like Google Play Store.
Yes.
Everything have to buy, sir.
Perfect. Okay. What are the things we'll provide in the lifetime from our end?
We provide only UI design,
Mm-hmm.
development part,
Mm-hmm.
backend and front.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. వెరీ సింపుల్.
6
ఫస్ట్
months of free support, right, sir?
ఎస్ 6 months ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీ సపోర్ట్. వెరీ సింపుల్ స్టెప్స్ హియర్, డోంట్ బీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. ఓకే, స్టిల్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎనీవన్? లత అర్థమైందమ్మా, మళ్ళీ చెప్పమంటారా ఏమైనా?
సో ఇప్పుడు స్క్రాచ్ అంటున్నారు కదా సార్, అది సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
యా షూర్. ఓకే లత, ఏం లేదమ్మా, వెరీ సింపుల్, క్లియర్గా వినండి. లైఫ్ టైం అనే మోడల్లో ఏంటంటే మనకి 2 కేటగిరీస్ ఉంటాయమ్మా, 2 టైప్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఏంటి, మనం సాస్ మోడల్లో కొన్ని డెమోస్ ఇస్తున్నాం. అంటే ఈ కామర్స్కి ఒక డెమో ఇస్తున్నాం, గ్రోసరీకి ఒక డెమో ఇస్తున్నాం, ఫుడ్ డెలివరీకి ఇస్తున్నాం, అవునా? సేమ్ అదే డెమో, ఎలాంటి మోడిఫికేషన్, ఎలాంటి కస్టమైజేషన్ లేకుండా లైఫ్ టైంకి ఇవ్వమని అడుగుతారు కొంతమంది క్లయింట్స్.
లైఫ్ టైం అంటే ఇట్ మీన్స్ 12 years సార్.
సారీ,
అంటే 12 years సార్ లైఫ్ టైం?
నో.
ఇంకా
రెండు మీరు కంబైన్ చేయొద్దు. సాస్ మోడల్ అంటే సాస్ మోడలే.
ఓకే సార్.
సాస్ మోడల్ ఏంటి, మనం ప్రొడక్ట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఇస్తాము, టెక్నికల్ సపోర్ట్, సెటప్ ఇస్తాము.
అవును సార్.
అసలు దీన్ని కంపేర్ చేయొద్దు, మీరు కంబైన్ చేయొద్దు.
ఓకే సార్.
అది 1 year. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సాస్ మోడల్లో సింగిల్ వెండర్ అయితే 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 12 years. అలాగే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, లైఫ్ టైం అనేది కాన్సెప్టే రాకూడదు దాంట్లో,
అవును సార్.
ఓకేనా? అదే లైఫ్ టైం అంటే ఏంటి, మనం కొన్ని థింగ్స్ మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం, కొన్ని టెక్నికల్ థింగ్స్ అనేవి క్లయింట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. ఇది మాత్రం ప్రాపర్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్లో ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటే, మనం ఏదైతే డెమో ఏదైతే మనం సాస్ మోడల్లో క్లయింట్కి చూపిస్తున్నామో అలాంటి సేమ్ డెమో లైఫ్ టైం కూడా కావాలని అడుగుతారు కొంతమంది క్లయింట్స్. అప్పుడు మనం అది సింగిల్ వెండర్ అనుకోండి 1.2 lakh అని చెప్పాలి, మల్టీ వెండర్ అనుకోండి 1.6 అని చెప్పాలి. అలా కాకుండా సెకండ్ సినారియోలో కొంతమంది క్లయింట్స్ అసలు ఈ డెమో నాకు వద్దు, నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ నాకుంది, స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి బిల్డ్ చేసి ఇవ్వండి, నా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు బిల్డ్ చేసి ఇవ్వండి అంటారు. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ కింద వస్తారు. ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ డిజైనింగ్ లెవెల్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం, ఓకేనా? డిజైనింగ్ లెవెల్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ డిజైనింగ్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేసి వాళ్ళకి చూపించి వాళ్ళు సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యారా లేదా, వాళ్ళు సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వకపోతే మళ్ళీ మార్చి వాళ్ళు కన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత డెవలప్మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. సో అలాంటి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ వచ్చేసరికి మినిమం 2.5 లక్షల నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ప్రాజెక్ట్ కాస్ట్, ఓకేనా? అది ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ అవుతుంది, ఎంత అవుతుంది అనేది మనం చెప్పలేం. ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ క్లయింట్ దగ్గర రిక్వైర్మెంట్ తీసుకొని మీరు యాజ్ ఎ సేల్స్ టీమ్గా డెవలప్మెంట్ టీమ్కి పాస్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు అనలైజ్ చేసి అప్పుడు మీకు చెప్తారు ఇంత అమౌంట్ అవుతుంది అని. అప్పుడు మీరు వీళ్ళతో చెప్పాలి క్లయింట్కి. అర్థమైందా? ఈ మోడల్ ఏంటంటే మనం స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ ఫేజ్ నుంచి డిజైనింగ్ ఫేజ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం, డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తాం, టెస్టింగ్ చేస్తాం, డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఈ మోడల్ ఏంటి, ఆల్రెడీ డిజైన్ చేసి ఉంటుంది, అందుకనే ప్రైస్ తగ్గించాం, 1.2, 1.6 పెట్టాం. అర్థమైందా? దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఇంకా అదర్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్, డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ క్వెరీస్? Clear, right, all of you?
Yes, but you'll be sharing this notepad, right?
Yeah, I'll share it.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, this is Govardhan.
Sorry?
Sir, this is Govardhan.
Abdul?
Sir, this is Govardhan, sir.
Oh, okay, Govardhan. Yeah.
Yeah, sir, actually I have small doubt about like if the customer asks the customization process in second model, what we have to do in that case, sir?
Second model in the sense you are saying in the lifetime?
Yes, lifetime.
Okay, can you please repeat your question? Can you speak louder as well, please?
Okay, sir. Okay, actually గా ఇప్పుడు మనకి సెకండ్ మోడల్లో ఫర్ సపోజ్ కస్టమర్ కి కస్టమైజేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి బిల్డ్ చేసినా కానీ సమ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏదైనా చెప్పాలి అని అనుకుంటే ప్రైస్ పెంచాలా సార్?
ఎస్, ఇలాంటి మోడల్లో మనం ఎలా కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయాలంటే, నేను డిజైనింగ్ పార్ట్ అని చెప్పాను చూసారా, ఆ డిజైనింగ్లోనే క్లయింట్ కన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చేయాలి మనకి. తను ఆ అప్లికేషన్లో ఎలా కావాలి, ఏమేమి ఫీచర్స్ కావాలి, అది కలర్ కోడ్స్ ఏం కావాలి, ఫాంట్ ఏం కావాలి, టెక్స్ట్ ఏం కావాలి, ఫీచర్స్ ఏం కావాలి, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, ఎనీథింగ్ దట్ క్లయింట్ నీడ్ టు కన్ఫర్మ్ ఇన్ ద డిజైనింగ్ పార్ట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఆ డిజైనింగ్ ఫేజ్లోనే తను కంప్లీట్ అయిపోవాలి. మన డిజైనింగ్కి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే, అంటే క్లయింట్ ఓకే అయిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే డెవలప్మెంట్కి వెళ్తాం. ఎందుకంటే మనం డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫేజ్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత నాకు ఈ ఆప్షన్ వద్దు, అది మార్చండి అంటే అది పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు ఇంకా.
యా
అది
ఓకే ఓకే
అడిషనల్, తనకి అడిషనల్ అమౌంట్ పడుతుంది, మనకి అడిషనల్ వర్క్స్ పడుతుంది. సో
ఎస్ సార్
ఇలాంటి మోడల్స్లో ఏంటంటే మీరు క్లయింట్తో ఎలా మాట్లాడండి సార్, మీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మొత్తం డిజైనింగ్ పార్ట్లోనే కంప్లీట్ చేసుకోండి సార్. మీరు సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యి మీరు అప్రూవల్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాతే డెవలప్మెంట్కి వెళ్తాం. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయో కొన్ని చెప్పి కొన్ని చెప్పకుండా కొన్ని డెవలప్మెంట్లో ఫేస్లో చెప్తే అది పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. మీకు ఎలాంటి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉన్నా డిజైనింగ్ పార్ట్లోనే మీరు క్లియర్ అండ్ కట్గా మీ 100% రిక్వైర్మెంట్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ తెచ్చుకోండి. దట్స్ ఇట్.
ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
యా సార్ యా.
యా.
అండ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ కస్టమర్ ఫర్ సపోజ్ 1 year తర్వాత ఇన్ కేస్ కలర్స్ ఏమన్నా డిజైనింగ్ మార్చాలి అంటే
ఎస్
అప్పుడు ఎలాగ సార్ దాన్ని
ఎస్
లైఫ్ టైంలో?
అండర్స్టూడ్. సో at that time, very good question, Govardhan. When it comes to the after 1 year of deployment application, we'll do it. Okay,
Okay.
we'll do any kind of color theme line changes, fonts changes, any new option need to add in the application or any existing option need to delete. We can do any kind of
Okay.
modification. It will be separate chargeable.
ఓకే.
Yeah, we can do based on the client requirement, no worries.
Sure, sir.
But when
Thank
it
you,
comes
sir.
to the starting of the project, we need to confirm the requirements from the client in the initial stage of designing.
Okay, definitely.
Okay,
Sir. Yeah.
perfect. Very good
Thank you.
questions. యా, ఇంకేమైనా ఉంటే అడగండి అమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే క్లియర్ కట్గా ఉండాలి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు. ఇఫ్ ఎనీవన్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో, ఐ విల్ ఆన్సర్ ఇట్.
Sir, in the first model,
యా.
we have that we provide the demo in the SaaS like same thing you
Yes.
need in the lifetime
Mm.
without customization.
యా.
What if the customer or client asks, you can do such, some sort of things I need to change? That's it.
యా, దట్ విల్ బి యాడ్ ఆన్.
Apart from this 1.2 lakh,
ఎస్, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 1.2, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 1.6.
just the whole thing add. That's it in the
Yeah.
same life.
Yes, yes. When it comes to the single, we can close for 1 lakh here, single vendor.
Okay.
The first model we can close it for 1 lakh or 90,000 as well, fine. In the multi vendor, around 1.3 also fine. But we can initially we need to mention 1.6. Why? Because negotiation is common, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the reason when it comes to the first model, for the multi vendor we need to pitch 1.6. Then we can close it for 1.3 as well. Or else in the least cases 1.2 also fine for multi vendor. In a single vendor, we need to mention around 1.2 and 1.3. We can close it for 90, least 90,000. And when it comes to the second model, it will be no doubt, no proper kind of things. It will be start from 2.5 as well. Why? Because the team need to work from the starting level. The support is same. In this also we will provide 6 months support in the first model. In the second model also we will provide 6 months free support.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Any more queries?
No, sir.
Okay, done. All of you, Lata, Pooja, Sneha, Priyanka, Neha, Prithvi.
This was a recap, no, sir?
Sorry, Sneha.
Yes, sir.
This was a recap, no?
Sorry, I can't understand what you're saying. Can you please repeat?
Sir, like she's asking, it was a recap like before sections or like that.
Recap. Recap in the sense?
Like we are discussing about the things before we done like that.
Yeah, actually this is a separate
Sample
new.
kind of thing, sir.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
asking
yeah.
about
Actually,
it.
yes, yes. It is a new concept. In this, we have some modules previously we discussed. This is a new concept, Sneha, and this recording also available for you. Okay. Today's major agenda was call pitch. We completed the first introduction about ourselves, about our company, reason for calling, services we are offering, duration, technologies, projects, and client requirement, need fulfilling of, we need to fulfill the requirement, and then presentation, final discussion, closure. And these are the where FAQs, sales FAQs. I think Sneha joined lately. Yeah. So remaining people, ఇంకేమైనా queries ఉన్నాయమ్మా?
No, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay, perfect. So all of you, today is 14, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days we have here. From Monday onwards, I'll assign the leads. So I need from your end, few other people are pending for the product KTs. Kindly complete your product KTs. I'll collect. I'll connect with the one by one. Okay. It will. If you are okay with today, I'll connect today as well. If you are okay with tomorrow, day after tomorrow, on the Sunday. Sunday I'm not available. Sorry for that. Monday also fine. But make sure you need to complete the product KTs and call pitch KT as well. Reverse KT. Tomorrow, I'll take the some basic kind of call pitch reverse KT from your end. Okay. In tomorrow's session, I'll conduct the reverse KT for call pitch. That's it. So mostly Pooja, Sneha, and Ekeshwar, these three guys completed all the product KTs. So Abdul, you need to complete. Govardhan, you need to complete. Prudvi, you need to complete. Lata also joined all the sessions. Okay. సో మేక్ ష్యూర్ ఒకసారి అందరూ రికార్డింగ్స్ గో త్రూ అవ్వండి. మీరు క్లియర్ కట్గా ఉన్నారు అనుకుంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం ఫర్ మీ. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఐ కనెక్ట్ విత్ దమ్
ఓకే సార్.
వన్ ఆన్ వన్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతాను. నో వరీస్, ఐ కనెక్ట్ విత్ ద వన్. సో వన్స్ వీఆర్ క్లియర్ విత్ దట్ 4 product KTs and call pitch, we'll start your real time works. If you have the company will provide you the leads. If you have any leads in your offline, your referrals, your communities, you can close them as well. Okay, done. So tomorrow same time in the sense 10:30. 10:30 I'll connect the session. All of you complete your reverse KTs regarding the call pitch, and then the people who are left with the product KTs, I'll take them as well. Just let me know in the WhatsApp. Okay, any doubts? Yeah, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, done. Perfect.
నో సార్.
Yeah. Just a second, I'll take your attendance. Ekeshwar available. Sirisha no. Abdul available. Masood not available. Priyanka Neha available, I think. Pooja, Lata, okay. Shruti, are you there? She's not there, right? Prudvi available. Riyaz, Aziz, Govardhan available. Sneha available. Ali, Priyanka, Akub. Okay, done. Okay, team. You can leave the call.
Thank you,
థ్యాంక్ యూ
sir.
సార్.
Yeah.
Thank you.